Hi folks, Brian Ferguson here. I've been getting the same question from a lot of my individual insurance clients, so I thought I would type out an email and send it to all of you, and as that email became longer and longer, I thought let's utilize modern technology and record a 2 or 3 minute video. So sorry about this formatting and sorry about how casual I am. I'm at working from home today on kind of a rainy, stormy October day. Just wearing a t-shirt, so sorry I didn't even spruce up for you. So most of my clients are in the San Diego area, and I'm going to kind of talk about San Diego specifically, but some of the ideas work in the entire state of California. Um, you're probably getting letters from your carrier saying renew with us now. And some of them are even saying, oh, you have a deadline of October 31st to renew. And I want to just start off by saying that's just not true. You have until December 31st to make changes for January 1st. The open enrollment period actually runs all the way through January 31st. So we have plenty of time to make changes. The reason I emphasize this is the carriers are doing something sneaky, and I really don't like it, and they're pretty much all doing it. They're all sending you letters saying, click this button, it's so easy to renew. All you have to do is call us or go to the website and click here and you'll renew. And that's fine. You may not wind up, you may wind up renewing right where you are. Um, but the problem is none of the carriers are sending out their rates to the quoting computer systems and the quoting software that's out there. So I can't run a quote for anybody right now that has all the carriers in one place. Covered California can't even show you all the plans right now because the carriers haven't submitted their rates to these guys. So right now, if I run a quote for you, I can only run a quote from Anthem. Anthem's the only carrier that's submitted their rates publicly. By law, they all have to submit the rates by October 1st. So today's by November 1st. So today's October 24th. By next Tuesday, I should be able to run quotes for all of you and I'll start getting in touch with you. But right now, the carriers are just trying to catch those people who don't know any better or just lazy and just automatically renew and keep your business for another year. And we can't shop around to other carriers. So don't do anything during the month of October. Wait until I've gotten in touch with you in November. And if we decide to stay put, we will, and we have plenty of time to do that. Again, we don't have to do anything until December 31st. And really, our drop dead date for making plan changes for the year is January 31st. So keep that in the back of your mind. I'm going to go through a little bit on some of the major carriers here with a focus on San Diego clients. So I apologize if you're outside of San Diego, but you'll get an idea of what's going on. Blue Shield, where I have a lot of individual business. And here in San Diego, Scripps PPO takes Blue Shield, and so it's very popular. Blue Shield announced an average 19.5% rate increase for 2017. I'll use myself as an example. Oh my God, I'm about to turn 50 in a few weeks. But as a 49-year-old, my gold plan in 2016 cost $577 a month. And the same gold plan in 2017 is going to run, I think it was $710. So that's a $140 increase, for the same plan a month. If I go to a silver plan, which has where my gold has zero deductible, my silver has a $2,000 deductible, my rate stays about the same. I think it was like $565. So I would save $140, $145 a month, but I'd suddenly pick up a $2,000 deductible. It's about a wash. Here's the problem. For Scripps doctors, which I love Scripps, we have two options. Blue Shield, PPO, or HealthNet, HMO. So for people who are currently with Blue Shield, because they want to go to a doctor with Scripps, you are going to have a couple choices. One, stay on the plan you're on and take about a 20% increase, roughly. Two, step back a metal level. So if you're on gold, go back to silver. If you're on silver, go back to bronze and keep your premium about the same. Three, move over to HealthNet, keep your premium about the same, but you're moving into the HMO world instead of a PPO world. And a lot of people don't like that flexibility or that lack of flexibility. Or four, look at moving away from your Scripps doctor, look at a Sharp doctor, or a Kaiser doctor. So that's what's facing you if you have Blue Shield in San Diego. For those of you on Anthem, Anthem's prices have gone up mid-teens percent, like 13, 14%, something like that. But they've also taken their PPO plans and moved them to what's called an EPO. PPO is you have a list of doctors, and if you go to someone on the list, you have great coverage. If you go to somebody not on the list, you still have coverage, you just have less. The EPO works exactly the same, except you can't go out of network. So as long as you stay with somebody who takes Anthem, you're fine. You have flexibility to doctor and straight to a specialist, but they have to be in the network. There's no out of network benefit now with Anthem's plans, anything that says EPO on it. So a lot of people aren't going to like that. The good news in San Diego, Sharp takes Anthem. They're in the EPO network. So you have a lot of flexibility there, and obviously they're up and down the state and in all 50 states, but you can't go out of the network. Right now, this year, from what I see, your inexpensive options are going directly with Sharp. You can buy a plan directly with Sharp cheaper than you could get the Anthem EPO, it looks like, from what I've seen with people's renewals, which isn't the official rates yet, but that's what it's going to look like. Or you can go to Anthem to EPO, or you can go on to HealthNet's HMO. Those are kind of your options. And your inexpensive options are Sharp, HealthNet, HMO, and Kaiser. Kaiser's got great rates. If you don't mind going to Kaiser, they're a true HMO, and they've got really strong rates this year. So that's kind of a summary. The main takeaway from this, please don't do anything. Don't renew, don't buy anything else, don't move until I've been able to be in touch with you early in November with the new rates, and that way I can get you quotes from every carrier out there and see what makes the most sense for you. Things you'll have to be thinking about, can you afford the rate increase? If not, do you want to bounce back down a level, like I say, from gold to silver, silver to bronze, or do you need to keep your doctors? If you're willing to shift doctors and maybe shift networks, that's a way we can save you some money. I'll be in touch. And like I say, probably in the first 10 days of November with all of my clients. And if you have any questions in the meantime, get in touch with me. You have my number, or you can always reply to this email. And if you're watching this on Google, or excuse me, on YouTube or something, leave me a note. Thanks.